The Illawarra Grand Atrium 39 proves that compact design can still deliver incredible scale and volume, and it's been created to suit some of the most common block sizes. This home is the very first atrium design in the Inspire collection to be on display. It's a milestone that has brought this dramatic design feature and family-friendly functionality together in one accessible floor plan. Let's take a look around. Right at the entry, you'll find a practical home office or study, perfectly positioned for work, homework, or running a small business from home. The central atrium over the meals area fills the living zones with natural light, creating a sense of space and openness you'd never expect in a home with this footprint. Upstairs, the master suite offers a generous private escape with a walk-in robe and ensuite. There's also a bright study nook and a dedicated kids' activity zone, all within a layout that feels open, airy, and beautifully connected, bringing the family together. The Illawarra Grand Atrium 39 is smart, compact design reimagined with dramatic scale. Come and experience it for yourself here at Riverfield Estate, Clyde North, Carlisle's largest and most innovative display centre yet.